I think that aesthetics, such as cuteness, are really understudied when it comes to how they apply it to technology. I think that aesthetics has a huge impact on how we interact with technology and machines. And I think that cuteness, because it's so easy to understand as a concept, is a really good way to explore that intersection. My name is Angie Fan, and my project is called Applied Cuteness Research. Cuteness research is about how we understand and perceive cuteness. Cuteness in some explorations, like social explorations, is behavioral. So when people see cute things, there's a tendency for them to want to care for them. When you make products that are cute, you're sort of using that very innate response in people and applying it to capital. And when it comes to applied cuteness research, what I'm doing is taking those biological imperatives of cuteness and translating it into a technology experience. I personally love cute things. When it comes to how I came to cuteness and technology, I made my first website when I was 10 years old, and it was a Hello Kitty fan site. So I feel like what I'm doing now is, in a strange way, a sort of continuation of that initial exploration. When I think about cuteness, I do think of really typically cute things, like kittens or puppies or babies. And then I also think about cuteness in context of culture and, by extension, technology, and how that's kind of grown into an industry. One of the most popular types of cuteness, I think, is like kawaii, which is the Japanese word for cuteness. And there's a whole industry around that. So I think that cuteness also extends into our understanding of like capital systems and also how people relate in those systems. In my work, what I'm doing is applying cuteness to virtual reality to see how cuteness impacts how we interact with the technology and how we perceive things inside virtual reality. In the virtual reality experience, basically you put on this headset and then you're immersed in a fully virtual world where you see cuties. So you'll be able to interact with these cuties. You can like pet them, you can kind of bounce them, and then you can hug them. And when you hug these cuties, they actually turn on this transparency mode in the headset where you can see the virtual cutie, but then you also see the physical environment around you. I think it's interesting to see how cuteness actually changes our behavior when we're interacting with technology. So when people experience applied cuteness research, I would like for them to think about what cuteness means to them, and also how cuteness is coloring their experience of the virtual reality.